This movement is a standing cable lateral raise, and this movement is to target the side delt, so the side of the shoulder. Now, the first thing to notice is that the pulley system, we don't have it set to the very bottom notch of the rung. We have it set just one notch up, and that's going to allow us to create a little bit of a better pulling angle for the side of the shoulder. We're using a D-bar handle, and also this is a movement where typically you won't be lifting that heavy. If you lift very heavy on this, your form tends to break down quite quickly. So start nice and light and gradually build the weight up over time. What we're trying to do with this movement is target the side of the shoulder. So we don't want to just think about lifting our hand up towards the ceiling. You actually want to think about dragging your hand out across the floor. So if you think about coming upwards like this, you will typically use more of your trap because you're going to start shrugging your shoulder. We want to think we're going to drag our knuckles out across the floor and bring our hand up to the point where it's level with our shoulder. So you use your other hand to hold onto the pole here, 2 feet together. You can lean very slightly if you want, and then just drag your hand out across the floor, control nice and slowly back down. Out across the floor, control nice and slowly back down. Also notice that I'm keeping my hand perfectly flat. I'm not going to let my thumb come up towards the ceiling or my pinky come up towards the ceiling. Typically what tends to happen is that the thumb starts to come up towards the ceiling as your body tries to cheat a little bit and use the front delt, but we're going to try and make sure our hand stays perfectly flat. Drag the hand out across the floor.